The last one is going to be releasing. And what this is her letting go of that pent up resentment that she's been having. This only happens after you built up trust, emotional safety, and consistency is when you start seeing this. But it kind of felt like it was a good thing. It kind of felt like she was able to let go of some stuff because she released the past. She released the resentment. And it doesn't happen all at once. It happens over time, which is why consistency is such a big deal. But she starts releasing and letting go. Because for women, they are emotionally processing through these outbursts. So she is emotionally letting go of the past. She is cleaning out. All you have to do is hang back. And then if you can, engage and try in these moments, try to get more out of her. Those are the three things that create the releasing conversation.